Hi, I'm Lauren, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can drag and drop sunflowers into your image using the LSP Sunflower and Lavender Botanical Overlay Pack. You can use the actions to apply. These are bonus actions that come with it, or you can drag and drop by hand. Inside you have 10 side framer and front framer images of sunflowers that you can drop in. If you haven't already and you're unsure of how to do this, you can watch video tutorial number 1 where I show you how to extract, unzip your downloaded files so that they work, and getting the actions in if you want to use them. For this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can drag and drop manually by hand. So go ahead and open up your image in Photoshop, and I'm going to drag over How About Sunflower Side Warm, because this is a beautiful warm image. Make sure this is lining up with the corner and resize to fit. Let's just get it coming off the frame a little bit. I love this little one's smile. And double click or hit enter and that's done. Literally just dropped in just like that. Let's go ahead and add another side. How about Sunflower Side Warm 2? And with these you can flip them as well. If you wanted to add this on the same side you can flip. But I'm going to keep it exactly where it is. And add this one in. Just peeking in. For this one I'm going to blur. I'm just going to remove the actions for now because I'm showing you how to do this by hand. So filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you can decide on your own radius there. I'll add another one underneath. So that has given us the foreground blur, so I've made them a little bit larger because they would be closer to the camera. Let's drag and drop another one in. About side 6. Now you can see this one is cooler and yellower. So I'm just going to resize these in focus sunflowers to be on the focal field. And using the actions, you can, as long as you have it selected, you can choose warmer and slide the opacity. Or if you wanted to do this yourself, I'm just going to delete that layer. You can come down on the adjustment menu, the little circle half and half, and for warming I'd imagine click photo filter. It depends what you want to do, whether you want to brighten or whatever you want to do. I'm going to click photo filter. A warming filter is normally selected for you, so you can change this. The thing is, this is going to affect your whole image. So what you want to do, make sure it's above, directly above the layer you want to apply the effect to. Right click, choose create clipping mask, and that means it's now clipped in just to those sunflowers. So if we're looking at this sunflower here, where I've clipped it, if I do that, it's just changing it. So I can just bring the warmth up manually to suit. But the actions are easy because you can just do it in a click. But that's how you can add this manually if you wanted to. Now on the actions, something you can't do manually is to add the finishers. So I'm going to hit the finisher for Sweet Sunflowers. This plays out and it just puts a beautiful finish over your image. You can turn the opacity up to suit. A black brush is selected for you and the layer mask, like a scratch card, white means show, black means hide. The opacity is how strong you want the effect. So fully strong, not at all. So you can just slide this up, inch it up until you're happy. The black brush, I'm just going to use this to paint off the face just a touch, only a little bit. And there we have before and after. So let's see our image completely before and after, adding sunflower overlays and the sweet finisher that's included inside your download. This is all included in your one download, so you can just get started right away. Super easy to use. Really effective and, might I say, a little bit addictive. It's hard to stop. So they're really good fun. I'd love to see your images created with these. If you tag me in the LSP Actions group, I'd be so happy. That's LSP Actions on Facebook, LSP Actions editing group for photographers. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.